Today nothing special. Today I'm gonna take out the roof rack and spray paint it just to give it a new coat. I never took it off before and it's pretty beat up, so I'm gonna take out all the screws, pull the roof rack out, spray paint it, and get it ready for our light bar. I'm gonna be installing light bar by the end of this week, hopefully on Sunday, hopefully if it arrives on time. So I want to have that roof rack fresh coated and ready, so nice looking. That's what we're gonna do today. Take out the roof rack, we're gonna need a T40 Tor X bit socket. It's the star shaped socket, T40. So because I have my hijack lift mounted to my roof rack, that's gonna be the first thing to take it out. How is it? It's pretty bad. Look at this. This is what you get when you take out your roof rack. I'm gonna clean this right now. Take a rag. I'm gonna clean all these. Now we gotta take these babies out. For this kind of a job, INSTALATION black flat paint and prime in one, so just a couple coats and we'll be good to go. While we are at the painting, I took out the jerry can basket and I'm gonna paint that one too. I get a lot of compliments on my jerry can placement on my FJ Cruiser. The way I have it, so you can see this piece right now over here. So there is a sheet of metal behind and with holes in it which fits the same holes as the wheel. And you slide this piece on and then you put your wheel on and tighten. So now this part over here, it's got another plate like this. See, the same size plate, and that's what you screw to your basket, because that's what you can get online. You can get this basket online, but you cannot get this part. This is made, okay? And so this is the second part, and the process is that you actually slide this into the other piece. I'll show you later when it's all painted. And then I have a pin. This is good because it's adjustable. And if you have a bigger size tire and you want to carry it a little farther, or you want the basket a little bit farther, you can, because it's got all the holes, which is great. All you gotta do is slide this baby in. It is going nice and tight because that's what you want. Nice and tight so it doesn't wiggle on the trail. Okay, just like that. So I have a pin. Put the pin in. That's it. So this is how the cherry can looks when it's finished. So we got this area cleaned out.